And welcome back, YouTube. This is Booster Box Buster here with another video. Today I'm going to be opening up a Magic the Gathering Final Fantasy VIII Children of Fate scene box. In my previous video I opened up a Final Fantasy IX scene box, and the pulls I got were pretty good. I was a bit disappointed with the easel, as you're about to see in this video, but yeah, I'm very excited to see what we can get out of this box. Alright, so let's get the easel out of the way first, as it's tucked away in there. Of course, we have a very nice image here. Ada and Cypher, along with Renoa and Squall, and a battle for the ages. Very cool. Very reminiscent of the opening cutscene. Let's pop these out. Alright, we got Squall as a little pop-out token. Of course, the Magic the Gathering logo. All of our goodies are contained in this little box right here. We got our 3 booster packs. Once again, it can make or break the box. We'll take a look at the art cards, or the standard cards, and then this time I'll put the art cards on the board. Last time I did the actual Magic cards, but this time I will put the art cards on the board to kind of see how that looks. I will say, for whatever reason, the Final Fantasy IX ones were bent really bad. These are kind of bent, but not as bad as the 9 ones were close to Pringleified. Alright, so let's take a look at these cards. We get Ada, Possessed Sorceress. Beautiful card art there. Fated Clash. Renoa, Angel Wing. Cypher, Balam Rival. Duelist Flame. And Squall Gunblade Duelist. Alright, let's take a look at how the art cards stack up on the board here. Beautiful art depicting Ada. However you prefer to say her name. The Lightning Strike. Renoa. Cypher. A Fireball. And Squall Lionheart. Don't know why with the last one I always have issues with. There we go. I think that forms together pretty nicely. That's what it would look like if you were to place them all on the easel. I really wish this easel was plastic and a bit better quality, instead of just a throwaway cardboard one. Now on to the main event, which I've already cracked open. The booster packs. Of course, always hoping for the Sephiroth, but I'm not holding my breath out of 3 random packs from a scene box. Oh, sorry, we got Sabo Tender, Undercity Dire Rat, Chocobo Kick, Dreams of Laguna, Magitech Infantry, Magic Pot, Instant Ramen, The Crystal's Chosen, Freya Crescent, Summon Finir. Our rare is Stiltskin Moogle Merchant. Oh, we've got a double rare, Vincent Valentine. This is a double-sided card. We got Galleon Beast on the back, beautiful art. Fate of the Suncrest is a hollow and a standard mountain. And a hero along with a bird token. I gotta say that I think the rarest token is by far the One Wing Angel token. I was lucky enough to pull a few of them, but I only pulled a few, and I opened a lot of packs of this set, so it's kind of nice to have those. Well, there's Sephiroth, but not the Sephiroth I'm looking for. Sephiroth's Intervention. Gigantatoad, very cool. Rook Turret. Aerith Rescue Mission. Blazing Bomb, classic iconic creature. Crossroad Village. Laughing Mad. Kefka's Tower, that is a rare. That's a nice Through the Ages card there. Lionheart, hey, that fits really well with our scene box. Rufus Shinra. Astro Lagians. Plane Sphere. Oh boy, that is a word and a half there. Clash of the Echions is our hollow, and oh, we got Torino Dark City. That's from Final Fantasy IX. That's where you had to play Tetramaster, and that game sucked. And Hero. I believe it was Tetramaster, that was Tetramaster, the card game in 9, right? If I'm recalling correctly. I could never get a grasp on how to play that game correctly. 8 was so much fun, so easy, but 9. I guess I just never sat down and really learned all the ins and outs and intricacies of that game. Still sucks, though. Alright, our final pack. We got Warrior's Sword. Cornered by Black Mages. Gabu Gardener. Scorpion Sentinel. Kurul. Lunatic Pandora. Once again fits with the scene box incredibly well. Squall Lionheart. Once again. Can't underestimate how well that fits with the scene box. Hey there, buddy. Only way it'd be funnier is if we got a Cypher as a hollow. The Prima Vista. Queen Braun. That would have worked real well with our previous scene box. Cloud of Darkness. That's 5, right? No, 3. Side quest, raise a chocobo, adorable. And our rare is... oh, it's a full art. Oh, Jindor! Aristocratic Capital. That's a full art rare. That's a nice pull there. And Circle of Power as our holo. Baron Airship Kingdom. And a hero with a bird token. So that is our Final Fantasy VIII scene box. With the 6 art cards displayed. The 6 full art holo cards. I really wish I gave you this in both holo and non-holo, because you could have 2 of each card and have a choice if you want to use holo or non-holo. Instead, if you want to use one of these cards, you're pretty much stuck with the holo version. The cheap ass easel, as always, with at least the full art scene on the back, so if you don't want to have to assemble the cards, you can actually look at the full art scene as is. This is pretty cool looking. And the 3 packs of cards, which are completely random, but our pulls were pretty good this time around. No mythics, but good rares. With all that said, this was the Booster Box Buster. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to watch future content like this, and as always, thank you for watching. Who knows, I may pick up a Final Fantasy I scene box. I probably will not pick up the Final Fantasy 15 scene box, but if I can find it for below MSRP, I probably will pick it up. Until next time, this is Booster Box Buster, and I'm signing out. Peace.